Okay. So moving on, the next thing in the attract formula is R. R stands for results. And now this is an example. So his name is Madhav. Madhav is one of my clients. He based in North America. He's working for a very new company. And when he was looking for a career success, that's where he and I got in touch with him. What happened was he was working really good, really hard, but he was thinking why he's not getting the promotion that he's looking for. And what actually happened was when we started working with him, I realized that he's actually working really, really hard, but he's not making time to show the success or show the results to the rest of the world. So it means he himself thinks he works too hard, but no one in the organization, let's say, can identify his hard work. Now that becomes a challenge for us, because many times what happens when we are working in our career, or maybe this is somehow we have been told that like we should not talk about ourselves or our successes, or let's not spread whatever things that you do. So what happens is talking or sharing your own skills and qualification, experience and success stories to others is actually going to help you out. Reason being, it will help you out because other people will, that is the only way for other people to understand why you are capable of doing certain things, what are the results you have achieved. And once they see you that you are capable of doing much more than what they used to see, that's where you'll start to see the career opportunities are attracting to you. Reason being, if nobody can see you what you can do, they are not able to offer you the opportunities. So it's your job actually, because you are the leader of your career. It's your job to understand which are the results that you are creating, and are you showing the results to the world. So make a note of this. It's results that matters, not the efforts. It's the results that matters. And so you have to aim for the results every day, small or big, but aim for the results. Results can be as simple as that you have to complete your CV, or send 5 job applications, make 10 phone calls, whatever it is. Talk in the format of results, not in the format of efforts. That you have to do something. Don't think about like you have to do something. Put as a result like you have to actually, let's say, achieve certain things. So when you aim yourself in the terms of result, you will see many more things are getting done in your life. And whatever you do, solve the problem, let's say in an organization or in the job and journey. So whatever you solve the problems, share it with the world that this is something you can do, because this is the only way others will understand, or the community around you will understand that you are capable of doing certain things. So make sure you solve the problems and share it with the world. And now this is my daughter, and I'll give her example, because any small thing she does, maybe just drawing something on the paper, or just climbing something in the play area, she's so excited, like daddy, this is something I have done. And she's very open and vocal, and reason it happens because it works. Quite simply, it works because it gives her passion, gives her motivation that she has achieved certain things. At the same time, because me being daddy, I will always encourage her whatever she is doing. But at the same time, the idea behind what I'm telling you is like whatever the achievements you do, start sharing with the world. Don't hide it, because if you're hiding, nobody else will understand like what are the skills and capabilities you have. So never ever have that doubt in your mind that you have to hold on to your opportunities. Only share when it is ready. Don't worry about that. You should start sharing your results to the rest of the world, because that is the only way you will see, and other people will see that what are you are capable of, and you'll take it from there. The example of my daughter is just an example, but I think you got the idea what I'm trying to say.